What if I told you that people are using AI to build businesses that make $5,000, $10,000, even $30,000 a month, all from home, with no team, no office, and sometimes no prior experience? This isn't some get-rich-quick fluff. These are real people building lean, AI-powered businesses that actually work. The catch: you need to know what to build and how to do it smartly. So in this video, I'm going to break down 10 AI business ideas that you can start right now, even if you're a complete beginner. And here's a quick challenge. Which of these would you personally try? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every one of them. Let's dive in. 1. AI Faceless YouTube channel. 5K, 15K-ish month. Let's start with something I know really well. Faceless YouTube channels powered by AI. You don't need to show your face, record your voice, or even edit videos manually. Tools like Pictory, 11 Labs, and ChatGPT can help you generate scripts, voiceovers, and videos in hours, not days. Monetization kicks in once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, or 10 million shorts views. But the real potential lies in RPM. AI, finance, and tech niches can hit $10 to $30 per $1,000 views. You post valuable content consistently, and it starts snowballing. Some channels go from 0 to 10K month in under 6 months. Pro tip: treat it like a startup. Analyze retention, improve CTR, and post on a schedule. This is a marathon, but it can absolutely change your life. 2. AI content agency, 10K, 25K month. Businesses need content. Lots of it. Blog posts, newsletters, product descriptions, LinkedIn posts, you name it. With ChatGPT and tools like Jasper or Copy.ai, you can build a small content agency with minimal effort. Offer packages: 10 blog posts month for $800, LinkedIn ghostwriting for $500, product copywriting for $1,000. Hire 1 or 2 VAs to help with formatting and editing, and focus on acquiring clients. Here's the twist: you don't market yourself as just using AI. You deliver results. Traffic growth, SEO ranking, conversions. That's what businesses pay for. 3. AI resume and LinkedIn optimization service, 3K, 10K month. This one's simple but powerful. People are willing to pay $200, $600 for someone to improve their resume and LinkedIn, especially if they're in tech or looking for remote work. Use ChatGPT to analyze job descriptions and tailor resumes accordingly. Add value with interview coaching, keyword optimization, and even custom cover letters. You can scale this by building a personal brand on LinkedIn, posting results and client wins, and offering bundles. Most of your clients will come from referrals, job boards, and social platforms. And once you find a repeatable workflow, it's easy to hit 5K a month solo. Share 4. AI-powered research reports for small businesses, 5K, 12K/month. Most small businesses don't have the time or resources to do deep research, whether it's about their competitors, customers, or industry trends. You can offer custom research reports using ChatGPT and other data tools like Perplexity, Notion AI, or even Google Trends. Sell these reports for $500, $2,000 each, depending on depth and value. Niche down. Target specific industries like local real estate, med spas, e-commerce brands. You'd be shocked how many founders would happily pay someone to save them hours of Googling and data sorting. 5. AI email automation and campaign setup, 6K, 20K month. Email still converts, especially when done right. And businesses are desperate for people who can set up automated email sequences using tools like ConvertKit, MailChimp, or Klaviyo. Here's where AI comes in. You use ChatGPT to write persuasive copy and optimize sequences for conversions. You charge $1,000, $3,000 per setup, and once you've done a few, you can template the process. You become the expert who installs cash machines in other people's businesses. Add analytics tracking, A/B testing, and follow-up optimization. And suddenly, you're not a freelancer, you're a conversion specialist. 6. AI course creation and digital products, 5K, 30K month. If you have expertise in anything, even if it's niche, you can turn that into a profitable AI-powered digital product. Use ChatGPT to outline and script a course. Tools like Tela, Loom, or Camtasia make recording fast. Host it on Gumroad, Teachable, or Podia. But here's the real power: automation. AI writes landing pages, email funnels, course descriptions, even quizzes. Once it's all set up, you've got a passive income machine. Many solo creators are earning $5K 15K a month from just one good product. Scale with upsells, bundles, and paid communities, and you can easily break $30K a month. 7. AI Social Media Manager for Creators, 4K 10K a month. Creators and small brands often struggle to stay consistent on social media. That's where you come in. Offer a done-for-you package. You use ChatGPT to draft posts, Canva to design them, and Buffer or Metricool to schedule everything. You can charge $1K a month for each client and serve 4 to 10 at a time with help from automation. Bonus, add Reels or Shorts using tools like Pictory or CapCut AI, and you become a full-stack content machine. Most of your clients will stay for months, because consistency is what they struggle with most. 8. AI SEO services for local businesses, 5K 12K month. Local businesses want to rank higher on Google, but they don't know how. That's your opportunity. Offer AI-powered SEO, keyword research with tools like Surfer SEO, content creation with ChatGPT, and basic site optimization using plugins like Rank Math or Yoast. You can charge $500, $2,000 a month per business, and stack clients without burning out thanks to AI. Focus on service businesses, dentists, gyms, photographers, consultants. Help them outrank competitors and get more traffic. They'll love you for it and happily pay recurring retainers. 9. AI prompt engineering and custom GPT building, 3K 15K month. This is more technical, but extremely lucrative. With OpenAI now allowing custom GPTs, you can build specialized AI assistants for companies, influencers, or even just for sale. Some people are already selling these on PromptBase or Fiverr. You don't need to code. Just understand how to craft layered prompts, test behavior, and deliver value. Think. A real estate lead filter, a fitness plan generator, or a customer support GPT trained on company data. Each setup can go for $500, $3,000, and you can bundle maintenance, updates, or even white-labeled interfaces. 10. AI Virtual Assistant Business, 7K 20K a month. Virtual assistance is booming, and AI makes it 10x more powerful. You create a small agency of AI-powered virtual assistants, offering services like inbox management, research, calendar booking, content planning, and more. With AI handling 80% of the load. Use ChatGPT, Notion AI, and Zapier to build efficient systems. You onboard clients at $1,000, $2,000 a month, and hire freelance VAs to handle the human side. The result? Scalable margin with minimal burnout. This is one of the fastest growing service models in 2025, and you can build it without coding or raising capital. There you have it. 10 AI business ideas that people are already using to earn 5K, 30K per month. You don't need a fancy office. You don't need to be a tech genius. You just need the right tools, a little bit of hustle, and the ability to follow through. So which idea would you try first? Drop a comment below. I want to know what you're building. And if this gave you value, hit that subscribe button, smash like, and don't forget to check out my other videos on AI, business, and digital growth. Until next time, stay curious and keep building.